Hello, this is Sergio from ClinicSense Support, and today I'll be showing you how you can quickly reference a previous treatment note when writing a new one. Now, your first thought might be to actually go to the client's page, search for the client in question, select their client file, go to the Appointments and Notes tab, select the appointment that you're wanting to reference, and then view the treatment note. However, as you can see, this involves quite a few steps and there's a much better way to do this. When writing a treatment note, if you select the appointment, you can go to the treatment note tab and simply click on the View Past Notes button to reference all of your past treatment notes. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see previous appointments, and on the right side, you can see the full treatment note, including the subjective, objective, or any other tab that you might have created. Additionally, you have the option to duplicate the note by clicking on the button at the top right. So I hope this was helpful, but if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. Have a good one. Bye-bye.